Hi friends, today hi friends. In this session I'm going to talk on the topic map in collection. So map, it is an interface. It stores the value as key value pairs. All right. So this map interface does have many implementation like hash map, tree map, abstract map, um, weak hash map, identity hash map, and linked hash map. So this map I mean this map interface and their implementation classes have many methods. We are going to see um, few methods of of it. All right, so let me create a class. I'm just creating a class. mm, yum map. Okay, and I make a check mark in the public static void main. I'm just importing few interface and methods, interface and classes. Here, the first one, map interface. It resides under java.util. And then hash map. You can see java.util dot tree map. Okay, these two, hash map and tree map. Hash map, it is an hash map is a class. Hash map is an implementation class of map interface, and tree map is an implementation of sorted map interface. All right. All right. So as I said, hash map is an implementation class of map interface. Let me create the hash map here. Let me create an object for this hash map. hm equal new hash map. So I have created a hash map object named hm. Right. So hash map is created using the new keyword. So I would like to add few elements to this hash map object hm. So how do I add? The list and set interface does have a method named add to insert values. In map, we do have a method named put to insert the value. Alright, so I'm going to call that put method. H just key in the hash map object hm dot. You can see a pop-up window which lists out all few methods. You need to select put. You can see put put method which takes two object parameters. One is key and the other one is a value. So let me select it. I give the key as 1 and the value as the the value as Java. Right. So here I am. Let me add few more elements. I'm just adding few more elements. So okay, now let me print. So what I have done, I have created an hash map object, and I have added few elements using the put method. So it takes two object parameters. So one is key and the other one is a value. Let me print it. I'm just running. Let's see in the output. See, you can see in the output console class map main hash map hm. One here you can see one within the bracket. You can see one is key and Java is value. Two is key and is value. 3 is key and A is value. So 4 is key and programming is value, and 5 is key and language is value. Right. So it got printed. The hash map object hm got printed. Hash map object hm hash map hm does have elements. Those elements got printed. Let me call. So now I would like to remove an element. I would like to remove an element. Hm dot remove. So this element takes one object parameter and returns the object, right? So I'm just giving the element 3. Okay. You can see so you can see I have called the method remove, which takes one object parameter, and I have given the parameter as 3, so it takes the key value 3. All right. So here you can see already in the you can see hm object has 3, right? So this string object, this key 3 is key and a is value. So this element would be removed, all right, after the execution of this remove method. Fine, let me run it. after remove method. See in the output you can see remove of 3 colon a. Remove of 3 colon it returns the object. This a object is removed. All right. I mean we have passed in the key value, and that based on the key value that element is removed, and it returns a value that's been removed. So the value is a. After remove method is called, the hash map hm looks like this. So it does have elements like Java. I mean one key Java value, two key is value, 4 is key and programming is value, and 5 is key language is value. It doesn't have the key 3 and value a. All right. And now as I said, like this hash map, it's an implementation class of map interface. So let's have a look on tree map class. Tree map class, it is an implementation class of sorted map. All right. So here I have created tree map. I'm going to create the tree map object. So how do I create tree map keyword, and then the object name tm equal sign new, and then tree map. So now I have created the tree map. Okay, here you can see tm dot put. So in this tree map I would like to add few elements using the put method, so which takes two object parameters. One is key and the other one is a value. So here let me give one and some value, some string object or any object. Okay, so so anything like okay, four. Some text I am giving. Sorry. Okay. Now I'm gonna print this tree map. I have added few more elements using the put method, and let me let me print the tree map. So in the console you see class map main tree map tm. Here the elements of tree map is here. One is key and tv is element, I mean value. Two is key, radio is value, three is key, fridge is value, and then it goes five is key, and alamar is value. So it got printed, the tree map elements got printed in the outstream. All right. Here this tree map, it's an implementation of sorted map interface. So it does have methods like I mean it can make use of the methods of sorted map. like head map, tail map. So these methods, the head map and tail map, used to fetch the uh, list of elements that starts with I mean the head map. Let me show you here the head map. There is a method of sorted. It's a it's a method that comes under sorted map. Let me what does this let me show you here how it works. So we can directly print tm dot. So just key in the tree map object tm dot. You can see head map. It lists out I mean there is a pop-up window that lists out few methods. You can see the head map. Head map, which takes an object parameter and it returns a sorted map, right? All right, this object parameter that's I mean this head map method will return the sorted map. All right, that sorted map will fetch data from the beginning of the tree map object. All right, I mean let me come again. This head map will return the sorted map. This that sorted map will contain elements of tree map. All right, and that element those elements will start from the uh, beginning of the tree map and it ends till an object. That object is passed as a parameter. All right, here you can see the head map. Here I pass in um, 4. Okay. tm dot head map 4. Sorted map is it returns a sorted map. See, in the console you got the output. tm.headmap method is called by passing the value 4. So it returns a sorted map. That sorted map values you can see. Key value 1, TV is key is 1 is key and TV is value, 2 is key and radio is value, 3 is key and fridge is value. So it fetches elements of tree map from the beginning of the list of elements till the key value 3, because we have given the key value 4. So the whatever the object we give, the just prefix that object key value, it fetches the elements and those elements is returned as a uh, sorted map and that got printed here. Okay, fine. Similarly, one more method tail map is here. So tail map, it is just so if I give two, here I need to call the tail map. This tail map again takes an object parameter. That parameter is a key value. So it returns the sorted map. That sorted map will start to have the elements from the object parameter which is passed, all right, until the end of the element of tree map. I believe here I have given 2, so it will start to have, let me give 2 as a parameter key value. I'm just passing the 2 as an object for the tail map method. Okay, so here you can see the tree map 2 key and radius value. So it will fetch all the data, all the elements till the end of the tree map. That's a work. Uh, that's a work this tree map does. All right. So you can see in the output. Let me run this. Tm dot tail map of 2 I am passing. It returns a sorted map. You can see the fetched elements, I mean the returned sorted map, that is 2 is key, radio is value, 3 is key, fridge is value, 4 is key and washing machine is value, and 5 is key, almar is value. All right. So it starts from the 2 key value because that's a object parameter, I mean that's the value we have given as object parameter, right? And it ends till the end of the element. All right. Fine, now I'm going to tell you like how just consider that we would like to traverse through the tree map. Okay, so how do we do that? Just traverse. So for this we are going to use the entry set method. So just create a set equal tm dot this tree map does have a method named entry set. So if you call this so when do we would like to traverse through the map. So for this we are going to make use of the method entry set, which is from tree map. Okay, so I'm just calling the entry set which returns the set. Okay. So the tree map object tm dot entry set here it shows an error message because we need to import the set interface. So java dot util dot set interface. Okay. Set interface. Fine. Now we have called the entry set on the tree map object, and it returns a set. It returns a set. All right. So this set. All right. Again we need to import iterator. We are going to use it. Iterator import java dot util dot iterator. iterator set iterator map. So you can see the I'm just creating the iterator itr equal yes iterator. Okay, and then itr dot as next. Inside what I do, like I'm just map dot entry me equal okay dot next. System dot out dot println here key plus what I have done here, I have created I mean I just call the entry set method on the tree map object tm. Okay, so this entry set method returns the set. That set will contain the values of the tree map. All right, and using the iterator I'm just creating the iterator for this set which I have created. You can see here the iterator itr equal s dot iterator, so that iterator is created for this set yes. All right, now inside the for loop uh, so each and every element is iterated. All right, so for every element I take the element and that element is assigned to an object of map dot entry. So this map dot entry, it is an inner class of map interface. All right, so I assign each and every element of set into a into an object of I mean I assign the value element of set each and every element of set to a map dot entry object, and then I'm gonna fetch the values key value and value key and value. I'm gonna fetch the key as well the values using the get key and get value methods. You see here I have keyed in key and then yeah, map dot entry dot you can see get key, so it will fetch the key, and then here you say key value. Okay, me dot get value. So I just key in the map dot entry object me and I key in the dot and it pops up the few methods. You have to select the get value to fetch the value of the key. So I have done that now. Okay, now we can run this program. So let me run. You can see before that let me give a quick recap on what we have done to traverse through a tree map. So I'm just calling the entry set method of tree map class, which returns the set. All right. So that set is assigned to the set reference variable yes. All right. And for this, I have created an iterator for this set yes. Okay. You can see yes dot iterator. So um, I am here iterating the iterator dot using the next method of iterator. So it fetches the element. So each and every element of this set is assigned to an object of map dot entry. So map dot entry, it is an inner class of map interface. All right. So each and every element of set is assigned to map dot entry object. And then using the map.entry object, I'm calling the get key and get value methods to fetch the key and values of the element. All right, let me run this. Here we go. You can see here in the output, yeah, key colon 1 and then the value TV, again key 2 value radio, key 3 value fridge, key 4 value washing machine, and key 5 value alarm, right? So all those keys and values of the element got printed in the outstream. So this is how we traverse through a tree map, or yeah, this is how we traverse through a tree map. And maps, map that falls under the I mean the and map that that's an implementation of sorted map. Okay. I believe so yeah, you got to know this how to traverse through a tree map. Fine. I believe this session would have given you much knowledge on map interface and their implementation classes like hash map, tree map, and their methods in detail. Let me catch you with other topics in the upcoming session. Please do subscribe to the channel Java Track and click on the bell icon to get notified on new post. If you like this session, please share with your friends and well wishes. Thanks for watching. Bye.